Amaze, amaze, amaze. We are here inside of the Melrose showroom and we are talking about one of the hottest trends that you're going to find at market for Everyday 2027. They are oversized, larger containers. Right here on this table behind me, we're going to see the first set of these metals. Now, when I say we brought in a lot of metals, we have brought in a lot of different sizes, a lot of different shapes, but they all have that warmed up metallic finish to them, and you can do fantastic, beautiful focal point displays. That's why these large containers are working, whether it happens to be these or ones in Midnight Coastal or the ones that we're showcasing here in Honey Blossom. They work very well for you because you have so many different things that you can do with them. These two in particular, I know you're looking at them and you're thinking, wow, those look like they're very hefty. They look like they're very sturdy pieces. Leanne, I bet those weigh a lot, right? Well, they don't. They're like super lightweight. I mean, I could throw them up in the air and catch them, but I won't. That would be amaze, amaze, amaze too, wouldn't it? But these are super lightweight. That is something that you're going to be looking for. It's going to save you some money on shipping. We have this set here. Let's go take a look at some more that we have in Honey Blossom. Okay, lots and lots and lots of design quality about these. That's why we love them, right? So these are actually a nested piece. The nested piece is inside and the outside piece is decorative. So these are all working together very lovely as you have the inside piece and then that outside piece. This is solid. This is something that you can put your faux plants and your decoratives in there. If you wanted to, garden centers, your call there, but that is a solid metal piece that you're gonna be able to work with. These are the round set. Let's take a look at the rectangle and the squares. Okay, and here we are on the other side and we're taking a look at the tall rectangular ones that are working for you. They're trending because of their vertical appeal with these in the front. They do have this nice foliage, these nice trees placed inside there with our moss mats. But I wanted to pull these out, the squares next to the rectangle, so you can see every single one as it pulls apart. You've got the inside piece like this and you have your decorative piece. And so we're gonna slide right in just like that. Here's our other set here. Perfect, ready to go. And so you'll be able to fill those any way that you like. The opposite of having these where they slide into the stand is these, they sit on top of the stand. And so we have these gorgeous little metal containers here and they just pop right on top of that stand just like that. If you like these containers, wait till you see these other bigger ones. These are wonderful containers, aren't these lovely? This is kind of an oval shape, but it's got a lot of texture on the outside. When I first got here, the little one was sitting inside of the big one, but somebody said, hey, you know what? This also looks like a little stand. Isn't it fabulous as a stand or a side table? And so these planters will fit both bills. They can be a planter one day and they can be a little table for you the next. These are fantastic examples of some larger vessels that you can work with. I didn't get to spend a lot of time talking about these in the live walk, so I want to do that with you right now. These are our faux leather pieces. This first one that comes out is definitely oversized. What our designers have done is they've just put together this beautiful out of desert bloom piece and they've just wound those all together, laid them in, or laying them in through the side here. But I want to make sure you get a chance to see this. So this is a nice big piece that you can work with. You're going to have a nice horizontal display here, but check out the handles that are stitched. Very nice. This is a hefty piece. It's going to hold its shape very nicely for you. It's definitely something that you're going to fall in love with here. The other pieces that are with that, and I'm just going to move this to the side real quick or down below. I want you to take a look at this rounded piece. Okay, so this is stitched as well with the faux leather, good size. You can do a lot of different things with this piece that's come in because you could go vertical and go a little bit taller, but you've got plenty of space around it to put your botanicals in. We do have this one with the handles, a little bit different. It's got some handles and buckles. And then this one in the back, they've done exactly what I'm talking about. It is a little bit taller of a vessel in the first place. You can definitely work with the height that's shown here, but I want to lift this up and show you something. The handles are here on the side, and so they are stitched very nice, good, firm. It's going to hold its shape. These are all faux leather containers that you can work with, and if that's not enough, we have a surprise one for you here down here on the floor that Katie's going to show you that goes with the same faux leather concept, and that's a nice carrier for your fireplace, and you can put all of your firewood right there in that faux leather piece. These are great oversized containers found in Desert Bloom. Let's go look at some more oversized containers that are trending hot. We're on the back side of Prairie Revival, and we are looking at some new baskets that came in. Now there's some standalone sells each as baskets, and then there are some sets that are here for you. These are the two rounded ones that are taller. They give you that vertical appeal again. You can go really, really big with these, or you can keep them kind of small like they did with the hydrangeas. On the other side of the table, we have the ovals. And so if you're looking to design something that's going to be a little bit more horizontal in that landscape look, that will work for you, as will this rectangular one. This is pretty good size. Now what you need to know about all of these baskets, they all have this galvanized metal on the inside. They do not come in and out like those brass or those metallic ones that we had up at the front for Honey Blossom, but these are on the inside. So garden centers, I know that makes a big difference to you. It is a solid piece right inside of here. Now, if you're looking for a really nice oversized piece, I'm going to pick this up so that you can see it. And what our designers did, now this one's free floating. This galvanized piece here, you can pull this all the way out. They just filled it here with some stems, some leaf stems that we have that's nice and red, but a beautiful oversized large container for you from Melrose. Ooh, do you remember last year when I said that these seagrass vases were fire, fire, fire and trending hot, hot, hot? Well, they are, and they're actually trending even higher this season. We brought this as an emerging trend last year. I think we even talked about it at the time. It's not just the shape. See how these model each other? Fantastic shape here. Organic type materials and natural materials are something that consumers are definitely wanting, but it's the large oversized container that makes these trend upward for us. There are 4 of these vases that came in last season. I know this is the second season that we're showing this to you, but if you passed on this last year, these are definitely containers you want to make sure are in your order this year. And look how they look with those teddy bear sunflowers. Aren't those gorgeous? They're absolutely beautiful. They have a very, very tall, long stem. It's over 36 inches in height, and the flower head itself is 5 inches across. These are all fantastic containers. They're trending for several reasons. The first, they are oversized. That oversized container is definitely something that's a hot trend this year that you want. The second thing is the materials themselves. We're looking for things that are warmed up in color tone. We're looking for things that are more found in nature. You know, whether it's going to have that metal look or that weathered metal look, or you're going to have the seagrass vases here or those baskets. Those baskets are phenomenal. And the other thing that is trending about these is not just that they're oversized, they're a great focal point when you go to build those out inside your store, but the fact that you're going to be able to get them nested, most of them are lightweight in shipping. Those are extra things for retailers that you're definitely going to be looking for 2027.